Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a team picture in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking on your group chat avatar at the top of the chat to open the Choose a Group Picture dialog. In the dialog that appears, click Upload Picture to open your file browser. Select the image file you want to use from your computer and click Open. The image loads in the preview area of the dialog. Click Save to apply your new team picture. The dialog closes and you'll see your updated team picture now appears in the chat list on the left. The image you upload should ideally be square for the best fit, as Teams displays team pictures as circles and will crop rectangular images. If you want to change the picture again later, just click on the avatar and follow the same steps. You can replace it as many times as you need. You can also remove a custom picture entirely by clicking the avatar and selecting Remove Picture instead of Upload Picture. And that's how to change a team picture in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.